Hey folks, this is Jay here from Chandler, Arizona. Let's talk about what enterprises need to consider while making move to quantum computing. Compared to other innovative technologies, investment in quantum computing is very less. uh, Most of the investment is coming from public funding by government, which is dumping up billions of dollars to get that supremacy in quantum computers vis-a-vis other countries. But private funding has been pretty less. For example, quantum computers in 2022 got roughly 2 billion vis-a-vis Gen AI, which was somewhere around 5 or 6 billion, and mixed reality or virtual reality to around 16 to 20 billion dollars. Companies recognize its value, but its investment may not be as parallel. But these are some things a company need to recognize to invest in quantum computer. Number one is it needs to all companies need to create a quantum following guild or a group. These are groups of dedicated or partly dedicated teams which will take a look at latest QC developments, software and hardware, and build that know-how for a company so that a company can slowly evolve its investment, its payloads and its calculations in that area. Number two is figuring out your industry domain and the algorithm complexity which a quantum computer may give. A quantum computer intrinsically has an advantage over a high speed classical computer because of its parallel processing capabilities, which basically means it needs less calculations to solve a particular problem. QC can analyze information. For example, when I say QC, I mean quantum computer. It could analyze information from large unstructured data much faster than a classical computer. Execution time. Execution time is very highly dependent on the hardware itself, both in any kind of computer and its architectures. Although quantum computers have lesser calculations, it may take sometimes more time because of the current challenges between of qubit interactivity and qubit networking. But over time, as it does more and more parallel payloads, this execution time should take care of itself. Number three is energy requirements. This is unlike classical computers. It does not require the energy needs are quite minuscule because a quantum computer is working in a sub-zero cooling system, so it is negligible in compared to a current classical computer. Number four is capital and operational expenditure. Quantum computer is a net new technology. Its capital and operational expenditure are going to be higher than a classical computers, which is kind of mainstream just now. There is no there is no uh, no no denying that fact. It will become more and more competitive as quantum computers are available in the cloud by the big tech vendors and things like that. So that's it. I would say 5 different aspects to consider. Number one is create a quantum counting and a following group in your company. Number two is algorithm complexity. Number three is execution time. Number four is energy requirements. And number five is capital and operational expenditure. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be more than happy to collaborate on comments. Thank you very much. Bye.